Topic is DC motor starter types, necessity, rating, and specification. Okay. Basically, starter is a protective device which is connected in series with the motor circuit to reduce the starting current. And as the motor, the pickup speed gradually, its help increasing in the current. Okay, let us see what is purpose of use in the starter in a DC motor. So necessity of the starter. Let us consider the motor speed, the DC motor. Let us consider the DC motor speed is n. Okay, when at when the motor at the starting point or rest point, when the motor at rest, the speed is n is equal to 0. We know n is equal to EB by phi. Then we get EB is equal to 0. EB is equal to 0. And the speed is 0, so the back EMF EB will to be 0. The back EMF helps to reduce the applied voltage, and that by having a normal current initially. Okay, then we get EMF equation. We know EMF equation. We know EMF equation EB is equal to V minus IRA, because equivalent circuit diagram, we know V is equal to EB plus IA RA. So therefore EB is equal to V minus IA RA. This equation for only shunt motor, or EB is equal to V minus IA RA plus RAC. This equation for series and compound on motor. Okay, if we take this equation, if we take first equation, we will see that IA EB is equal to V minus IA RA. Then we get armature current I is equal to V minus EB by RA. Okay, we have putting this value EB is equal to 0. Then we get okay, we have considered the motor rating is, suppose example, we have considered the motor rating, like say motor have a example, like a motor having a 400 volt 20 kilowatt, rating is 400 volt 20 kilowatt, armature resistance 0.5 ohm. Then we get armature current I is equal to, this motor is armature current is I is equal to 400. Okay, 400 by supply voltage 400 by 0.5. Okay, then we get 800 ampere. But in this motor have full load current is 64 ampere. Okay, the starting current in the armature, the starting current in the armature, starting current in the armature 800 by 64 ampere, 12.5 ampere times. The starting current is 12.5 times more than the armature. The full load, the armature current is 12.5 times more than the full load current. So this heavy current or high starting current, we will see that the 12.5 like as 15 ampere more than current in armature. So heavy current of high current starting current cause heating. Okay, heavy current is heating. The mechanical process also be high, 15 times more. In this high current, the various effects show in this motor, various affected in this motor. The various effects are heavy sparking at the commutator, heavy sparking at the commutator, or use maybe further flashes and burn out the motor. Okay, for this high, for the starting current in the armature is high. Okay, 12.5 times more than the full load current. So we see the various affected in this motor, like as heavy sparking or burn out the motor. Second is damage the armature circuit, damage the armature circuit. Okay, because why the damage armature circuit? Because the armature winding also heated. Why the because the armature current is 12.5 times is more. Okay, then rotating part also be damaged, and also be motor also be damaged. Large dip in a supply voltage, because when the starting current is more than the supply voltage is large. Okay, so the first one is heavy sparking or flash over the motor armature winding, damage the armature circuit. 3 point is rotating part is damage. Rotating part is damage. 4th point is large dip in the supply voltage. Okay, because when the starting current is more, the supply voltage is more. Avoid this effect and protect the motor from this effect. We will use the starter. Okay, mainly 3 types starter we also used from the protection the motor. Mainly 3 types. Mainly 3 types starter are used. One is 3-point starter. 3-point starter used for shunt motor. Which types of motor? Shunt motor. Okay. 4-point starter. This is used for compound motor. Or another starter is series type starter. Okay. Today I will discuss 3-point starter. One of the point, but this starter 3-point starter used for this 3-point 4-point series type starter used for high kilowatt motor or high rating motor. but very large motor, but small motor or frictional kilowatt motor do not require any starter. Why not do not use? Because first reason, resistance of internal resistance and induction. First reason, frictional kilowatt motor but does not require starter in small or frictional kilowatt motor. Why does not require? Because first reason is resistance and inductance of the armature. Resistance and inductance of the armature current is large limit. Okay, resistance and inductance armature current is large limit, so not to burn out or flash out in the armature for starting current is high. Okay, second point is inertia of armature is low. Inertia of armature is low. The motor is, when inertia armature is low, the motor is very speedy. The motor speed very quickly. Okay, for these two reason, first reason, resistance and internal resistance is high and inertia of armature is low. For these two reasons are not to use for starter in frictional kilowatt motor. Okay, but the heavy kilowatt motor are used for starter. 3.4 point starter. Today I will discuss 3-point starter. This starter used for series and shunt both motor. The 3-point starter. This is the electrical connection diagram of the 3-point starter. First we discuss the construction or connection diagram of this 3-point starter. Then we discuss the working principle of 3-point starter. In this video we see why the use of DC motor and what types of why the use DC motor starter and what types of DC motor starter use. Please see the next video for the types of DC motor and their construction or working principle. Okay, thank you.